The Tramontina Professional Fusion 8-inch non-stick skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. And it's perfect for families. This pan boasts a heavy-gauge aluminum body. It helps heat spread evenly and quickly. The reinforced non-stick coating means food will slide right off. So, cooking eggs or delicate fish becomes a breeze. Plus, cleanup is super easy, which saves you time and effort after a meal. This Tramontina Professional Fusion 8-inch non-stick pan is also quite versatile. You can use it on gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops. And, if a recipe needs to finish in the oven, no problem. This skillet is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The handle is made of cast stainless steel. It gives a secure and comfortable grip. Some info suggests it even comes with a removable silicone grip. This adds to its ease of use and safety in the kitchen. For those who value durability, the Tramontina Professional Fusion 8-inch non-stick pan seems like a solid choice. The heavy-gauge aluminum base resists wear and tear. The reinforced non-stick coating is designed to last. Yet some ads online might exaggerate its lifespan. Remember that all non-stick coatings will eventually wear down over time, depending on use and care. However, many users find this pan to be a reliable tool for their everyday cooking necessidades. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: heavy gauge aluminum, even heat, durable, dishwasher safe, oven safe, small size, good for small portions, comfortable handle, rivet-less interior, versatile cooktop use. Cons: damaged in shipping, inferior packaging, not commercial quality, discolors in dishwasher. Rivets collect food, handle is too long, cumbersome to wash, non-stick wears off. Features: 8-inch size, non-stick, aluminum, heavy gauge, dishwasher safe, oven safe, fusion rivet. Easy cleanup, even heating, durable. This Tramontina Professional Fusion 8-inch frying pan is a small, non-stick skillet made from strong aluminum. It's built to heat evenly, so your food cooks well. The non-stick surface helps food slide out easily, and it's also a breeze to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher in the oven. The handle is attached smoothly, making the inside of the pan easy to wipe down. And it's made to last. This Tramontina Professional Fusion 8-inch frying pan is made of strong aluminum for even heating and long use. It has a non-stick coating so food does not stick. And it's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. It is a small pan, good for cooking small amounts. The handle is made to be comfortable, and the inside has no rivets, making it easy to clean. It can be used on different kinds of stovetops. However, some people have had problems with it being damaged when it was shipped because the packaging was not good. It might not be strong enough for use in a restaurant, and the non-stick coating can wear off. Also, it might change color in the dishwasher, and if there are rivets, food can get stuck around them. Some people think the handle is too long and the pan is hard to wash.